Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Komisi benta jong jing Rakhe ya ka sengi bakrapang jong isamla lane ka International Youth Day arjar arfuar katanat Sports and Youth Affairs jong sarkar Jylla ha ka sengi thok dieng jong tayo ka khat artaring unailar arjar arfuar kala pelong ya ka program bakrapang ha ka bala pelaj pat ba ya ka Meghalaya Youth Survey 2022 report nalor ki wei ki jing pen kop buram bat ki song jing ai Nongbah sya ki samla ka Jylla ki ba hapok karta jong ka arpkhandai snem ki badan hapok ki seng lani ki kinhon kum ki sport club ki batrain namanta ka bha ka miat ha kaleng ka Jylla da ka ba sengkam sengjam ban kentiu ya ka roi ka par jong ka Jylla laban kedau ba ka scheme yes Meghalaya kadai ka jing penslor ya ki kon samla leng ba ka jing ai jing betshai lani counseling ha ki jaka pule boper ban play lat ya ki bakin sei madan ya ka sap ka phong ka bakidon la ka dei ha ka leng ka put ka tem karwai bar khamtam ha ka leng ka jing ile kai sport Karbau Menteri jong katanat Sports and Youth Affairs buat bantai dor lengdo ha ke jingkeren jong u kum sembut kongsan ulapan pau ya ke jingkermen bagi kon samla kin kiu irat ha kaliang jong ka sport u sembut Menteri rangba ke Jylla u ba Preston tensong ha ba kren kum u kongsan ula ong ba watla ka khlam COVID-19 kala khata shikat dai ya kum ba 100% hajar ngut ki kon samla ha gini ki arsnem nrei ngosi pat bantip batang kumba khandai spangut ki balayo jingarap na ka sarkar lengba ka financial assistance jong ka startup policy ka sarkar MDA ka balong ka wei ka banta ban penslor ya ki khon samla ban sengkam la jong bat om ban up kmilinti tang ban yo kam sarkar
and indeed we welcome our Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Madam W.A.M. Boon. A very warm welcome to you, Madam, to our today's program. I take this opportunity to welcome all the members present here.
Happy International Youth Day. When I'm sitting down there, before I came and stand here, that song, it touched me. We are the future. As many speakers, Commissioner Secretary, he already stated the population of our state, 74% is our youth. So that we should grab this opportunity for what the government has been doing for the last 4.5 years. Thanks to all of you. I won't take much time because the time is running. We have another program. But before I proceed my speech, I just would like to share with you about the youth of our state. Number one is, I think all of us we know, and we are aware also, there is 2 youth centers in our state. One in Shillong and one in Tura, which both the youth center for the youth. Actually, this youth center, it was supposed for the youth to have some program, have some meeting, and they can plan something what they want to move forward. But the thing is, now this 2 center, it's become a kind of a place to stay for the people coming from outside and from the state. And I remember when I was in Gujarat last time for the sports conference meeting, which been called by the Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs. And I raised this. In our state, we need, in all the districts of our state, we need 1 youth center because we have seen the talent of our youth. we have seen the struggle of our youth in our state. So that we need some more youth center in our state. So I don't know whether it will be coming up or not, but the thing is, my duty is to ask some more center in our state. So just recently, we had a big program. We have launched this scheme. It's clearly mentioned for all the youth club in our state, which the program today is which we held here in Shillong and Tura. So, for the last 4.5 years, which I really want to mention this, we are trying to bring the change, especially in our sports department, which some of the assistants, some of the sports person, they used to criticize, which the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, they are not doing anything. I'll tell you, as a Minister of Sports, and how many of you who know me, I played football during this 90s till 2000. I stopped playing football in 2005. And the thing which is going right now, it was clearly, a huge difference. Why I'm saying that? I remember when I played for the Langsing Football Club, at that point of time, I played in contract basis. For 6 months, I signed the contract. They pay me how much? 15,000 only. 15,000 for 6 months. Okay? Whatever we say at that point of time, the amount of money also is, compared to now, 15,000 is huge difference. But the thing is, mention about the youth and the sports policy. I remember after the program which we had last time, after one day, one of the achiever, the awardee, he came to me because he have done so much for the state for the last 4.5 years back, 5 years back. He have brought medal to the state, have brought the name of the state, but the government didn't do anything. So after that program, after one day, actually now he's married. I don't want to name his name, but I don't want to tell his name, but the thing is, he's married, he have one son, and he came and invited me. I don't know him. He invited me for the birthday of his son.
Yes.
I also request the following recipient to kindly approach the winners on the train.
Society. Uplifter multi-purpose for
District Sports Association and Visha Glen of Greenwood District Sports Association, Balasingol Pahao of Longston District Sports Association,
go sing.
The gymnastic. We have Daniel Amida Walang, Wandalang Naglin Malyang.
Whether good or bad, it is up to you to perform. The most befitting day, I should say, today it so happened where the whole world celebrate the International Youth Day. I would like to say we are also celebrating our 50th anniversary of our state, along with all the youths in the state of Meghalaya. We have seen the presentation, variety of presentations made by the department, and also we have witnessed these testimonies made by different disciplined, successful youth in today's meeting, which is very, very encouraging. On behalf of the government, therefore, I would like to acknowledge that you are doing well, and please keep it up. In today's generation, let me just tell you one thing. In Meghalaya, quite a number of percentage is being contributed by our youth. And throughout the state, the voices of the youth is what? We all know. Being a parent, I think we all know. One voice, they say, Meghalaya is facing unemployment problem. You know, friends, we realize from 2020, when pandemic attacked the whole world, and especially in Meghalaya, we really had a very bad taste right from the month of March 2020 till 2021 end. And during that period, I just wanted to inform all of you, not less than 65,000 young boys, young girls who were trained, who were fully skilled, working in different parts of India, and not only India, even outside India. Out of compulsion, they have to come back to the state. About 65% of them, 65,000 of them. And that time, we were not able to sleep from the government side. Seeing their joblessness, seeing their frustration, and seeing also the economic downfall during these 2 years. I just wanted to inform you, those highly skilled, highly trained young boys and girls, the government has taken one initiative. Out of about 65,000 of them, not less than 800 to 900 of them, government has provided financial assistance in the range of 1,70,000 and also 50,000 respectively. After 2 years, we have asked Industries Department to find out those 900 odd numbers who got financial assistance from the Directorate of Industries, whether they're doing well on their own or no. I'm happy to tell you about 65% of them, they are successful on their own business. We started the startup policy from 2020, and this startup policy is also taking up very, very positively. Why government ultimately decided under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister to initiate a number of initiatives through sports and youth affairs department, and also with all related departments. We wanted to make sure that our youth should not feel insecure themselves by saying the moment we completed our education, we are jobless. Therefore, different initiative has been taken by the government. Good investment in youth sectors is also invested. So I would like to request all of you, please grab and take this opportunity provided by the government. Please don't think now about the government job. The census says not less than 60,000 students are graduated annually. 60,000 in different levels, right from class 10 up to the degree level. 60,000. And if all of you 60,000 students are only expecting of government job, I think there is no scope and there is no hope too. So what I would like to encourage you, please open up your mind. Please have your own determination. Right now, we started this initiative. It is an eye-opener to all of you. That not only government job that we can survive, but let us start our own business. And not only that, we will be able even to create employment to our youths, educated youths throughout the state. You saw the initiative we taken in the name of yes. So much investment is already earmarked during this financial year 22-23. Some people say MDA government is useless. Somebody says this government is worse. But let me tell you, we are not. Go back to the history. Now we have focus. We have focus too. We want to reach out to each and every household in the form of SSG. It's so important. And so much investment again is created for this. So my dear young friends, when you go back home, please understand, government has already opened up these initiatives. Just take this opportunity on your own, and one day you will be somebody. That is what I would like to share with all of you. And don't lose hope. We have so much talent. The potentiality that we have in Meghalaya as far as youth sector is concerned, maximum talents we have. And you saw today when they sang that song, it's a unique Meghalaya, oneness. I've seen it, the singers, oneness. Irrespective of caste, creed, or religion. In the name of music, we are one. And also in the name of music, let us be one in Meghalaya. So let us not be misled by the emotion. Government is always there for you. We are backing you up for your bright future.